Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to insert table in your Microsoft Word. So let's begin our video. So first of all you just need to open your Word. So I'm go here and open my Word, and now I open a blank document and I need to insert a table on here. So how can I do that? So for that I just go on the insert option at the top, and then there have a option for table, and you can select your table format from here what you need, like that, like that, like that. So here you can see I select this table. Okay, I confirm it, and I can change this design from here, like that, like that, like that, what I need. I can change my design from here. I can change the border from here, like that. I can make it more design. So that's the main theme for insert a table on Microsoft Word. So I hope you can understand and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.